Welding 360 here, back with another welding video. I'm currently working on a Overkill Racing Chassis dummy bot DIY kit. I got it for my birthday from my mom. Thank you, Mom. And currently I'm trying to tack weld it together. I got the middle part all tacked together. Now I'm trying to work on getting the lower pieces together so I can tack the legs onto it, and from there these pieces. So it should look like that. I didn't go like that. I should have, but and then the next, after I get the bottom done, I gotta work on the top. And the top seems to be difficult. Looks like it's gonna be difficult. That's why I started with the bottom. That's that page. And then when you get this layout, when you get the kit, remember to write the numbers down on the pieces of metal. Otherwise, you'll mess up because they're not symmetrical. It says right here. So yeah, please take, and just fair warning, when you get one of these kits, do not forget to write down the number. Write down the part, piece, part number or whatever. So next clip will show the bottom triangular pieces like this, tack welded onto this. I just finished welding the bottom triangular pieces to the base. It's hot, so hold on. And that's the hole for the piggy bank, to get the chains out. Yeah, it's actually a piggy bank, a bottle opener, which that's the piece that looks like for the bottle opener, and then you can hang it. These pieces over here have holes, and you can weld them into a square at the bottom of the legs. So that's what I got done. Next clip will show the legs. It's a little hot, so hold on. Show the legs. Well, like that. So next clip will show the legs welded to make it so it's upright. Welding 360 here. Just got done welding the legs to the dummy bot welding kit. Yeah, it's tack welded. So the next clip will show the bottom pieces with the holes cut in them, welded to the legs underneath. Yeah, welded in the square. The next clip will show them welded onto it. Alright, I'm back. I just got done change of plans. I went and welded the top portion of the dummy bomb from Overkill Racing Chassis. And then I tack welded these pieces back. So it's finished. It's all welded, it's tack welded together. The top is fully welded. The rest of it's all tacked together. But yeah, it was a really fun project. Thank you, Overkill Racing Chassis, for sending it to me. Oh. thanks for fulfilling the order anyway for my birthday. They also come with stickers. You have to order a welding kit though to get a sticker from them. Otherwise you're not going to get one. I'll leave a link in the description for their shop. It's a piggy bank. That's why it has the X on the top. And then it also has a bottle opener. And then these holes, you can hang it upside down like that. I'm not going to hang it. I'm just going to make it like that for a display piece. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welding 360 out.